Does a wysiwyg editor for reportlab's IML exist? I've searched around for drag-and-drop editors which act similarly to Mzaccess Report Builder but generates report markup language. However, I could not find any existing products. Could it be true then that everyone hand-codes the designs of their PDFs? Surely there must be a wysiwyg editor somewhere. Anyone know of any? It would help tremendously. Note: would there be any demand for one to be built?
To the best of my knowledge, none exists, probably because those of us using reportlab choose it because we chose Python first and then went looking for a tool to generate PDF reports from within Python. What would be the purpose of a wysiwyg RML editor? In general, I think most of us generate RML, or use Platypus, in code based on the results of processing some kind of data in Python, so most of the interesting stuff has to be done in code anyway.
Thanks to OpenOp tool SXW2IML, you can use OpenOffice Writer as a wysiwyg editor for IML. It takes old-style uWriter files and generates clean IML out of them which you can then manipulate. Flow that works for me is uWriter doc-openop_sxw2iml.py iml-trml2pf.py PDF. Links. Ref links. This URL, older code of sw2iml.py can be found here. This URL. For latest version check OpenOp this URL.
You can also have a look at Relatoria. It is not IML but it is wysiwyg. This URL.
I have been using iReport Designer for this report designer of Jasper reports. But I am not using RML. I have a custom XML structured more like RML file which using my Python script converts to PDF. Since JRXML and RML are perfectly structured XML files, you can create your own Python function to convert the JRXML to RML. Just that the iReport coordinates need to be converted to reportlab coordinates and create appropriate RML tags. Cannot make use of reportlab features 100%, can use all the basic elements. Hope this gives you some idea.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.